My name is King T'Challa, and for the first time in our history, we will be sharing our knowledge and resources with the outside world.
What you guys have is gonna scare a lot of people in that room. They're gonna come after you.
Yes, but I will no longer rule out of fear.
I've seen men build weapons. I've seen aliens drop from the sky. But I have never seen anything like this. How much more are you hiding?
America takes what it wants. And we want Wakanda. These Wakanda folk got all this power, and they don't know what to do with it. We're going back to Africa, boys.
The Black Panther has been the protector of Wakanda for generations. The mantle passed from warrior to warrior.